This is the All Day Sauna 6-person sauna. And in this video, I'm gonna go over 5 things you need to consider before purchasing this or really any sauna. The first thing to consider is budget. If you're looking at buying a sauna in today's climate, there's a lot of different options. And unfortunately, what you see online isn't always what the end result is. Case in point, you get excited and you buy a big, beautiful sauna because you have this spot down here by the lake and you just know that is where I want to have sauna parties. So you order this $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 sauna and it shows up at your doorstep and you're so excited. But then what happens? You realize, oh shoot, I gotta run electricity down there. And the cost of running a 50 amp cable 20 feet off of your house, which is always much further than that, is thousands of additional dollars. And unfortunately, a lot of people are met with that surprise. They're met with the surprise of assembly. They're met with the surprise of electricity. They're met with the surprise that they have to have a flat, level surface that can hold over 1,500 pounds. And unfortunately, not a lot of people are prepared for that. Where the All Day Sauna tent, you can put it anywhere and you don't need any electricity. The second thing to consider is the actual materials. And unfortunately, a lot of saunas that you find at big box retailers and on Amazon are made with, unfortunately, pretty toxic materials. A lot of them use toxic glues, they use toxic stains, things that you don't want to heat up over a certain degree because you're inherently going to be breathing those things in. The good news is they test these up to 200 degrees, which is a pretty standard sauna experience in here. And they've found that there's no VOCs released during any of the heat up times, which is great for us. The point to getting in a sauna is to detox and feel better. We don't want to be in a toxic bath during our sauna sessions. The third point to consider is the size. Unfortunately, for the budget of under $3,000, a lot of saunas are extremely small. In most cases, we're looking at just one person, maybe a squished in 2. But with the All Day Sauna tent, you can fit up to 6 people. And honestly, I think you can fit a lot more. I think they just have to say up to 6 people because there's so much room in there. And you could configure these seats, which they have as an accessory all around the sauna, configure it however makes the most sense for you and for however many people you have getting in that sauna. And for a traditional heat sauna that's under $3,000, it's kind of hard to beat. The fourth thing I would consider is, am I building a sauna in a permanent residence, or am I renting, or do I have plans on moving anytime soon? And the reason I bring this up is probably like the worst thing for anybody to get all excited, invest a lot of money into a sauna, and then within a year they move. A sauna is unfortunately not an easy thing to just pack up in a U-Haul and move to your next location. So if you don't have a permanent residence and you don't have plans of being wherever it is that you are right now for at least a few years, I would probably have to recommend against getting a permanent structure or a larger wooden sauna. And I'd have to recommend going with something that is portable like the All Day Sauna tent. And probably the number one reason I love recommending All Day Sauna is their accessories. They have some of my favorite portable cedar benches that are on the market. Individual seats, you could position them where you want in there so you're not committed to one space with your group. You literally can put it anywhere you want. You can use it to sit outside the sauna like I'm doing right now, and they fold up and travel very, very well. They have some of the most fun sauna hats. They've got cowboy hats, they've got world's hottest dad hats, and then they have these Japanese mesh sauna hats that come in different colors so you can put your flair on your sauna session however you want. And they have multiple other accessories. Matter of fact, I'll have a link pop up on the screen and I'll have it down in the video description. If you want to check out the All Day Sauna tent, full sauna setup, or just their accessories, you can use discount code MAUS, that's M-A-U-S. It supports the channel and it saves you money as well. I'll have that pop up on screen, or check it out after the video. So there was my 5 top considerations. If you have a question that I didn't go over in this video, pop them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you on any answer of any question you have, or reach out to me on Instagram at DMossJr. I'm very active there. I don't have an assistant that works my Instagram, it's just me. So feel free to ask me any questions there. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please like it, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing. Either way, I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless. And speaking of next video, I'm gonna have the actual review of this sauna pop up on screen right here. I think you should probably check this out next if you're considering purchasing one. It'll walk you through setup, first use, everything, so you can make the best decision for yourself. It's right there on screen.